What happens when you take a legendary 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and inject it with Formula One hybrid technology? You get this, the Mercedes AMG GT 63 SE Performance. This isn't just a luxury Ford or coupe. It is the most powerful series production car AM has ever unleashed on the world. With over 800 horsepower and more torque than most heavy-duty trucks, it's a car that blurs the line between a family cruiser and a hypercar. Today, we're going to find out if this hybrid monster is the new king of the Autobahn. At a glance, the GT63 SE looks familiar, but the details tell a different story. The front fascia is wider, featuring the Panamericana grille and massive intakes to cool that hybrid heart. But look closer at the rear, you'll spot the charging port, integrated into the rear bumper, and the unique e-performance badging with red accents. The active aerodynamics are a work of art. The multi-stage rear spoiler adjusts its angle based on your speed to either reduce drag or maximize downforce. Paired with 21-inch AMG forged wheels and those massive bronze-colored ceramic brakes, this car has a presence that is both elegant and absolutely terrifying. Inside, it's a masterclass in performance luxury. You're wrapped in Nappa leather, Alcantara, and genuine carbon fiber. The dual-screen MBUX setup is still the centerpiece, but it now features e-performance-specific menus showing your battery temperature, electric flow, and hybrid strategy straight from the AMG Petronas F1 card. But the AM performance steering wheel feels incredible, featuring the drive mode selectors that allow you to switch from electric silence to race mode in a heartbeat. Despite the supercar power, you still have 4 comfortable seats and a lift-back trunk, making this a surprisingly capable grand tourer for long European road trips. Let's talk numbers, because they are staggering. The 4.0 LV8 and the rear-mounted electric motor combine for a total of 831 horsepower and an incredible 1,470 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Just 2.9 seconds, but the real magic is the battery. This isn't a hybrid built for long-range commuting. It's a hybrid built for speed. The battery uses direct cooling of the cells, allowing it to deploy and recover energy faster than any other hybrid on the market. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or hitting 316 kilometers per hour on the straightaway, the power is always there, instant and relentless. It's heavy, yes, but with rear axle steering and AMG Ride Control Plus, it handles with the agility of a much smaller car. The Mercedes AMG GT 63 SE Performance is a glimpse into the future of performance. It proves that electrification doesn't have to mean losing the soul of a V8. It means making it faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before. It is expensive, it is complex, and it is utterly brilliant, but I want to hear from you. Does a hybrid setup belong in an AMG, or do you prefer the pure, non-electric V8? And would you choose this over a Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid? Let me know in the comments below.